Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will talk about how we will get a free SSL certificate for our static web app and for our web app. For static web app you can use it as a front end to deploy your static websites, and how you can add your custom domain here and get a lifetime free certificate, SSL certificate. Okay. And for the backend, we will talk about how we can add our custom domain and assign it a certificate. So for this case, we have to manually assign the certificate. So we'll click on the add domain again. And here what you have to do is you have to choose the all other domain services, because we are not using the app service domains. Okay. And we will use the app service managed certificate. It means the Azure will generate the SSL certificate for us. I will use the SNI SSL, and my domain name going to be backend dot Saurabh dot XYZ. Okay, just make sure the domain name is correct. Okay, so this gave me a two records. Okay, one okay, it gave me two records. One will be a CNAME and another will be txt. So I will add these details in my DNS records. Okay, just go here and copy this. This will be my value, but let's first like the CNAME. This will be my value. Okay, and if I go back, I have to type backend here. Okay, backend, and I want to make it proxied, or let's not make it proxied for now. Let's save this, and then I will copy this and this one as well. It will be txt record. So we'll go to the txt records again. Sorry, add records again, and now we will add our txt record. We have the value. Now go back and copy this value as well, and we should be fine. Okay, so we have added both the values. Okay. Okay, now let's validate this and check if our front end is set. It is not. Okay, let's close this. Okay, so it's still validating my front end. It might will take some time because DNS can take some time depending upon your registrar and other things. Okay, so let's do one thing. We will change it to 1 minute. Okay, so just to make it fast, and I will add it my backend as well. I want it to be updated every minute. I hope this will help me first make this process faster. Okay. It's not recommended for the production, but for the like testing you can do. Okay, as you can see, my like DNS records were validated, so it means it's added. It will add it, and now we have to assign. You can see it has been assigned as well as assigned to this. Okay, so currently this domain should be if I open this domain, I should be able to see this website. Okay, this one is my backend. So if I go here, I will refresh this. Type backend. This could take some time depending on my IDNS and other things. Let's refresh this. And if I go to backups, okay, custom domain, okay, it's secured and it's set up on primary, but it's not showing here yet. It might will take some time to update this. I will reload the page. Okay, so as you can see, my backend is working fine. So another challenge that you can face in future if you have used this certificate is when you go to this certificate, you will see it will have a lifespan. So it will, if I go to details, I can see. And okay, as you can see, this certificate will expire after around 6 months, or I would say, yes, it will expire about 6 months from now. So just make sure that you are regularly, if you are using it for production, you are updating it. You can add the certificate, you can remove this and add a new certificate, and then just assign that certificate to this customer. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, this is working now. It's not updating here, but when I open my front end website, like this custom domain, I'm able to see the like this subdomain. Okay, so this was the by default static web app URL, and it's pointing to my correct front end. Okay, so I hope you guys found this very helpful. And if you are using it for the production, I recommend you go for the app key, like key manager. Uh, I think yes, keywords. So this will help you generate the automatic or auto renew your SSL certificates. So this is highly recommended if you are using it for production. But for other and testing or dev environment, you can use this method. Okay. So I hope you guys found this value like video helpful. And if you have any comments or suggestion, and if you want to know like how we can deploy static web app or like this web app, normal web app, just comment down below and I will create a separate video for this. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time.